Welcome to ZU Library video tutorial that will show you how to access ebooks using O'Reilly Learning Platform. To start with, go to ZU Library homepage. Click on Find an Article. Under all database types, click on ebook. Scroll down and click on O'Reilly Learning Platform. Click on Select your institution and choose on Not Listed. If this is your first time accessing this database, please enter your ZU email address and proceed by clicking on Let's Go. Otherwise, click on Already a User and log in to your registered account by simply entering your email address and your password. If you have some questions and need more assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us via chat or leave answer. We are happy to assist you.